Very good morning students and welcome back to St. Thomas School, subject Maths. So we were on the page number 163 over here, which program? Okay. There are different types of programs on TV or radio such as cartoons, news, sports, music, plays, serials. Juhi's father likes watching serials. Her mother likes sports. Juhi likes news programs. See, three of them were having a different selection. Okay. So now let's start from the question 1. Ask people in your family to name one program they like and one program they dislike and make a table. See, like this we have to make a chart. In this chart you have to mention the family members. Mother and father already is given. Then you can write a brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather. Okay, uncle and aunt. The program they like, whatever the programs, whether they like the sport, then you can write a sport, serials, news channels. Okay, whatever they like, that you can write. And program they dislike, and one more option you add over there, that's a dislike, the program they dislike. Now let's move to the solution and let's find the answer for that. See, in this the required table is as following. So when you fill the table, this type of table you will get. What was there in this? See, the mother like movie, the father like the sports, the grandmother and the grandfather like the religious, uncle religious, brother cartoon, sister serials. Okay, and the program they dislike, the mother and the father, the mother dislike the sports, the father dislike the serials, grandmother and grandfather dislikes the serials and the sports, uncle plays, means whatever the plays we're having in the TV, okay, that they dislike. Okay, so when you will fill the table, this type of the table you will get, this type of the chart you will have in your notebook. Okay, now see, let's move to the textbook and start the next one. The kind of program most family members like. Then after this filling this whole column, you will come to know that the most kind of the program that most family members like, that you have to write. Whether it's a serial, then you have to write over here serial. It's a sport, then write over there sports. And the kind of the program the most family members dislike, and this answer you will get from this column. Okay, the most program that family members dislike, it's whether it could be a sport, then you have to write there sport. Okay, let me show you. See, the most of the family members like the religious program. So in that line you can fill it like a religious program. And the most of the family members dislike the sport. So you can write it over here a sport. Okay, here sport you write, and here sport you write, and here you can write it as a religious. Okay, now let's move to the next chart. Find out from a 20 friends the programs they like and dislike and write in a table. See, in this table what you have to write, what you have to do first, that you have to ask to your friend, what you have to ask, that which program they like and which program they don't like. Okay, they dislike the program. First one is a news. Okay, the number of the children liking, it's, if your 3 friends were liking the news, then write it over a 3. And if your 5 friends dislike the news, write it over a 5. Serials 2, or here you can give it as a 4. Cartoons 6, here you can give it as a 1. Comedy shows 7, here you can give it as a 2. And sports 8, here you can give it as a 3. Just ask and then you fill the table. Okay, now let me show you that when you will fill the table, what type of you will get over here. The required table is as under. See, this type of the table you will get when you ask to your 20 friends. See, your 3 friends, it's just an example. You can call them and you can ask them to fill this activity. Okay, see, news, 3 children like the news and 17 dislike it. Serials 5 like it and 15 dislike it. Cartoon 19 and dislike 1. Comedy shows 14 likes and 6 dislikes. sports 18 likes and 2 dislikes. So when you will fill the table, you will get such type of answer over there. And here see again they are given the question, which kind of program is liked by the most children? It could be a cartoon. Which kind of the program is disliked by the least number of the children? It could be a serial. So sport, when you will ask to your friend, at that time you will come to know. How many children like sports program? That you have to count from here. Where is the sports? Let me show you. See, sport is there. So whatever the likes you will get in the sports, that you can fill over here. And is there any kind of program not liked by anyone? Yes or no? If yes, which one? See, from this all programs, anyone is there that it's disliked by? It's like not liked by anyone. That means it's a disliked. Or if it's there, then you can write the name, or if it's not there, then just cancel it. Okay. So this all the things you just revise it and just try to fill this activity in your notebook. Okay. And the remaining portion we will complete in our next video. So that's all for the day, students. Have a wonderful day.